Hi, I'm David with Privoro, and today we'll be unboxing the brand new Privoro SafeCase. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find 4 items: a very handy quick start guide, the SafeCase itself, a lock panel which will be attaching to the back of the SafeCase, and a dual-headed charging cable that has both a micro USB and a lightning cable so that we can charge your iPhone and your SafeCase simultaneously. There's a sticker on the inside of the SafeCase that takes you through all the steps we're going to outline here today. First step, though, is to make sure that you remove any screen protectors from your iPhone or any cases that you may have attached to it. From there, we're going to go to the Apple App Store and download the Privoro app. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. These instructions will take you through the pairing process, connecting your SafeCase with the Privoro platform. After you've successfully paired, return to step 3 on your SafeCase. To insert your iPhone into the SafeCase, first thing we'll want to do is, using your index finger, slide open the base tray. From there, we're going to want to go ahead and remove the sticker and place it to the side because we're going to want to reference that later. Then, to put the iPhone in, we'll slide it head first, making sure it's nice and snug against the top, and then sliding the base tray closed against the bottom of the phone. Finally, we'll put the lock panel in place by matching the notches of the lock panel against the notches in the SafeCase, and then with 2 fingers, snapping it into place at the top. For first-time use, connect your SafeCase to power using the power cord provided. You'll know it's been taken out of shipping mode and has begun charging when the lights on the back illuminate. Once fully charged, your SafeCase is ready for use. Enjoy!